Let me ask you something. When was the last time you updated your resume and actually felt good about it? If you're a paralegal staring at that blinking cursor, wondering how to turn years of juggling deadlines and managing chaos and holding law firms together into something that actually looks good on paper, you're not alone. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Misty Murray. I'm a litigation and trial paralegal, and now I help paralegals all over the world unlock and unleash their full paralegal boss powers. That means showing you how to use the latest and greatest tools in legal tech. And in today's video, that tool is ChatGPT. Now, I know AI can feel a little intimidating, but it's not going anywhere. It's here to stay. So the best thing that you can do for your career is to start learning how to use it to your advantage, ethically and responsibly, of course. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful tips and ways that paralegals can use ChatGPT to create, refine, and optimize a standout resume. Whether you're just starting out in the legal industry or you're looking to make your next big career move, these tips will help you get out of your own head and into a resume that works. So let's dive in. Tip number 1, start with a brain dump. Instead of agonizing over phrasing or formatting, open a blank document and start listing your past roles, your responsibilities, projects, achievements, and literally just dump it all. Then paste that information into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to help you turn it into a strong paralegal resume. Paste all of your bullet points that you have and all of those responsibilities and wins and let ChatGPT help you brainstorm. It's like having a first draft partner that never judges you for overusing bullet points. Tip number 2, let ChatGPT translate your skills. Legal professionals often downplay the soft skills that make us rock stars in the office, like managing competing priorities or deadlines, navigating difficult clients or attorneys, or being the go-to for urgent filings. Ask ChatGPT to help you reframe those experiences in language that resonates with hiring managers. Try this example. I'm going to put into ChatGPT something that resonates with me. Rephrase the skill for a professional resume. I'm the go-to for all potential client calls regarding nursing home injury cases because I know the questions to ask and the information to get for my attorney so that he can determine the viability of the case. You'll be amazed at how it turns day-to-day grit into resume-worthy greatness. So tip number 3, build multiple versions. Different firms, different roles, different needs. ChatGPT can help you quickly customize your resume for each job application by emphasizing the most relevant experience. Got a job you want to apply for? Paste that job description into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, based on this job posting, which of my skills should I highlight? You'll get suggestions that save you hours and help you stand out without rewriting from scratch every single time. If you're still with me and you're a fellow paralegal boss who's got a tip for taming the resume writing chaos, I'd love it if you would drop it in the comments below. Let's crowdsource some wisdom and help the next generation of paralegals thrive. Tip number 4, beat the ATS, because robots are gatekeeping your dream job. Before your resume even reaches human eyes, it may need to pass through an ATS, also known as an applicant tracking system. These digital gatekeepers scan resumes for keywords and formatting that match the job posting. Here's where ChatGPT can really help. Paste into ChatGPT the job description and your current resume. Then ask it, compare my resume to this job posting. What keywords am I missing? You can also ask ChatGPT to format your resume in a clean, simple layout that ATS bots can actually read. Skip the fancy Canva templates. You don't need them. Stick with classic formatting and strategic keywords. Tip number 5, practice for the interview. Yep, ChatGPT can help you prep for your interviews. Ask it to generate common paralegal interview questions and simulate a mock interview. So try this. Ask me 10 interview questions for a senior civil litigation paralegal applying at a mid-sized law firm that handles plaintiff work. It's like having a coach in your back pocket. All right, bonus tip. You must use ChatGPT responsibly. Do not let it replace your voice. Here's the thing. While ChatGPT can absolutely help you with the cover letter and give you a strong starting point, let's be clear about something very important. Writing is one of the most valuable skills you have as a paralegal. Never use AI to write anything that includes substantive client or case information, and don't let it do the thinking for you. AI is your tool. You're the expert. Use it to enhance your brilliance, not replace it. You're a paralegal boss, and your voice matters. So here are my closing thoughts. Your resume doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to reflect the value that you bring. Use ChatGPT to make the process easier, to sharpen your message, to help you get unstuck when the words just won't flow. But don't forget, the best resumes tell your story in your voice with your critical thinking behind them. If you found today's video helpful, be sure to click that subscribe button and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using ChatGPT to either boost your paralegal career or to enhance the role that you have in your paralegal career. And I'd love to know what you're struggling with. Thank you so much for joining me today. And as always, good luck to you in all that you do, because this crazy legal industry needs a paralegal boss just like you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.